Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Southside Me, and today me and my sister made a squishy vending machine, and this
so cool.
one does actually work. So we just have 3 jumbo squishies up here. So
For to do examples and show you.
So I did put my 20 cents in here. You can see in there they have something. Oh,
So yeah, but
so then I move this, and I get my squishy here,
we have to push it too.
and I get this guy.
So yeah, do you want to show them how we do it?
Yeah. Okay. So
Just and there's Stitch right there.
yeah.
I gave to her.
Yeah. But she didn't make it. So here is all the squishies.
That's where the money goes, you know.
Yeah. The money's up here.
And there's a hole right here.
So
I don't know if you guys can tell, but
there is a hole here and a ramp. My sister made a ramp.
so it could go diagonal
And
down.
this, the thing that you, spin, I guess, it hits this cardboard and, makes a squishy and, go in here. And then that squishy, that therefore then goes, get it, squishy, and squish it. And this took a really long time, we did cardboard and everything.
And we had to duct tape a lot of things. So if you don't have duct tape, then it might be a little hard for you. So, and then we just tied up with that, and we used an Amazon box. We didn't find this out on
YouTube. We just did it ourselves, basically.
And yeah.
So we kind of decorated in the front.
But not really like that.
So right here it's a squishy vending machine. It has Hello Kitty, and then
Then we can show the squishies on top. It is a mermaid cat that is super squishy.
this one's so soft and slow. This one's from Justice, and then this one's from Walmart. It's not soft and slow. It's like this. So yeah, lots of squishy vending.
And if you want to know what should we tell them?
We used this was a bag, a jumbo bag,
like a plastic bag, and we just cut it in half.
So yeah, please give this a thumbs up if you like this video. And yeah, bye guys.